Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can make alert on your Xiaomi outdoor security camera. Okay, as you can see now I already connect the camera with the Mi Homes app, and after we connect it with this Mi Homes app, you will see the template here. And if you not yet connect it, let's check out in the description how you can connect your iHomes app to your Xiaomi security camera. And now enter to the camera that you already connect, and here you can see the alert logo here, and some camera don't have, some camera has. So let's test what will happen if we press that logo. Okay, when you press you will see some notification here. Alert will be play about 30 seconds. When alert play you can also cancel it. Okay, now just press play, and I think the alert sound will be very loud, so let's just try. Okay, just a second. Okay, so the alert sound is very loud, so you can also press to stop, but it will take a few times before it stop. The voice come out from the camera. Okay, so now that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can make your Xiaomi outdoor security camera alert sound. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.